Use profiles to separate bookmarks and settings. Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, you can create and use multiple profiles to separate bookmarks, settings, extensions, and browsing history. Each profile is essentially a separate browsing environment. Here's how to set it up. Open Google Chrome. Make sure you're running the latest version of Google Chrome. Access the Profile menu. On the top right corner of the Chrome window, next to the three-dot menu, you'll see a small circular icon, which could be a picture or an initial. This represents your current profile. Click on this icon. Manage people or add a new profile. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Add or Manage People. Click on that. A new window will pop up, showing all your current profiles with an option to add person at the bottom. Create a new profile. After clicking Add Person, you'll be prompted to create a new profile. Select Sign In if you choose to sync to your Google account. Your profile name will automatically be your account name. Choose a name, photo, and color scheme. If you choose to turn Sync On in Chrome with a Google account for the new profile, your bookmarks, history, passwords, and other settings will sync automatically. Switch to another profile. On your computer, open Chrome. At the top right, click Profile. Choose the profile you want to switch to. Remove a profile. Important. After you remove a profile from Chrome, the profile's bookmarks, history, passwords, and other settings are erased from the computer. On your computer, open Chrome. At the top right, click Profile. Next to Other Profiles, select Manage Profiles. Manage People. Point to the profile you want to remove. At the top right of the profile, click More, and then Delete. To confirm, click Delete. Benefits of using profiles. Separate work and personal browsing. You can have one profile for work and another for personal use. Shared computers. If multiple people use the same computer, each person can have their own Chrome profile with separate bookmarks and settings. Different extensions or settings. You can install different extensions and have different settings per profile, which can be useful for specific tasks. Thank you for your watching video and hope this can helping you. And stay tuned for the next episode.